How to fix Block Blast app not working. So what you want to do first is completely close the app itself, just like that. And now we will go into our phone's settings. Once you have accessed the settings, we will scroll down and search for offload, and you will be able to find offload unused apps. So offload unused, and you should see this option here. So click on it. And this is going to load up a list of all of your applications, and we just want to find Block Blast from this list here. So just search for Block Blast, just like that. I can see it right here. So I will select it, and now what we want to do is offload the app. So offload the application, and then we will immediately click on reinstall. And it might take a little bit of time to reinstall the app itself, but afterwards it should work. That's the first fix. If for some reason it still doesn't work, then what you can try doing is changing your internet connection. So if you're using your mobile data, you can change over to Wi-Fi, and if you're using a Wi-Fi connection, you can change over to your mobile data. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.